For sports centers and gyms, offering a safe workout environment is top priority. With the increased hygiene requirements, the constant surface stress of the equipment has also increased. Demand for users' active role in sanitizing workout equipment has increased. The solution for this is our Fotonit coating. Self-disinfecting Fotonit coating is made in Finland, and it ensures that the surfaces don't need manual disinfection after every use, despite the constant client turnover. The longevity of the equipment is increased as the wiping of the surfaces is minimized. Fotonit coating minimizes the use of strong chemicals and additional cleaning staff, making it a cost-effective solution. Clients can concentrate on a great user experience without needing to worry about hygiene or cleaning the equipment while enjoying their workout.